Hi everyone, welcome to this VPV Planner tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a project step by step. First, we click on Create New Project. On this first page, we fill in the project information and the address. The system automatically recognizes the address, so we just need to confirm that it's correct. If necessary, we can adjust it manually. We can also add project notes here. These notes will appear in the final report. Once everything is completed, we click Continue. Now we're on the next step. Here we have two options. We can either use the satellite image generated from the address, or we can upload our own image, for example, a technical drawing. In some locations, the satellite image may not be clear enough for detailed work. In that case, uploading a drawing is recommended. If we use the satellite image, we adjust the view until the entire building is clearly visible. Then we click Save Map View. Once the image loads, we select a reference line. We click 2 points to draw a line with a known measurement. If we're using the VPV Planner satellite map, the image is already scaled, but we can adjust the value if needed. Click Save, and then select Continue to proceed. Now we move to the roof design. We click on New Roof Outline and draw the roof shape. We can create as many roof areas as necessary. After drawing the roof, we select the roof type. If required, we set a safety distance from the roof edge. Once we click Save, the safety distance appears highlighted in yellow. We can always edit or delete roofs if needed. Next, we add the VPV units. We click Draw VPV Array. Then we click and drag from the top left to the bottom right to define the size of the array. Now we choose the type of feet required. We can rotate the array if necessary, and we enter the albedo value. If we're unsure about the albedo, we can check the albedo information table. On the left side, we have display options. We can hide the number of units, hide the roof dimensions, or adjust the opacity. At the top right, we have editing tools. We can move or rotate the array and remove individual units or multiple units. Finally, once the design is complete, we click Continue to generate the report. You can now download the final report at the bottom of the page. Scroll down to find the download buttons. Thank you for watching.